Hello, my joyful people. Greetings to you all. Today again, I share with you how to make a perfect Nigerian buns that you can use for personal consumption and for sale. Let's get right into it. I'm using all-purpose flour. I need a normal water for it. Melted margarine, 2 large egg, sugar, any liquid milk of your choice, vanilla flavor, baking powder, a little bit of salt, nutmeg. I will go ahead and save it. Feel free to check the description box. Everything I'm using will be right there for you. I will go ahead and make a well at the middle. I will add all dry ingredients. This is the sugar, baking powder, nutmeg, salt. So I will mix it thoroughly to make sure it's well combined. I'll put it aside. I'll go ahead and put all wet ingredients in one bowl. I'll start with the eggs. Once I am done, I'll go ahead and whisk it. Then next, I'll go ahead and add the melted margarines to it. Vanilla flavor, liquid milk, a little bit of water. I'll put the left water aside. I'll combine it like this again. I'll put it aside. Make a hole at the middle of the floor and I'll put it straight. While the left water, I'll put it bit by bit until I am done. Once you see your dough is perfectly okay with the texture, if there is a leftover water, you can put it aside without using it. Because the cup I'm using might not be what you are using. Mind you, I'm using less than a cup of water. And if you have your measuring cup that has number 1, I'm using 1.5 of that because the cup I'm using and yours might not be the same. So I'll keep mixing in just like this. And I'll be putting just a drop of water, just like what you are saying. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are really wonderful and amazing. From the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate. May God bless you all. And if today is your first time stopping by on this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be forced to be notified, and we'll upload this soon again. And you can also scroll down on our channel. There are so many amazing and educating videos that will be helpful for you, for personal use or for business. And you can also help us to share our video. We are really progressing. Can you see how it goes? So this is how the consistency needs to look like. Once I am done, I will just go ahead and use this thing to cover it. So if you are in haste, you can take it straight to your fridge. That is exactly what I'm going to be doing. So for 7 to 8 minutes is perfectly okay. But if you are not in haste, you can just use a clean rag to cover it. So after 7 to 8 minutes, I bring it out from the fridge. I will just go ahead again. I will just mix it a little more. And at this point, I have started preheating my oil. So once you are about to fry, make sure you have a bowl of water by your side. So can you see how the mixture looks like now? Not too strong, no, not too soft. Dip my hands inside the water. So the first one I'm going to fry, I will only just go ahead and put just two seed on it. The first one that do comes out, I don't really appreciate it so much. So I prefer to just go with two. Without wasting time, I will take it off. But this one is not going to be thrown away. You can still eat it. There is nothing wrong with it. But I prefer to start with two pieces like this. So make sure you are frying with a sufficient oil. You start with a medium heat. Once you see it's progressing, you can now high your gas to make sure it do not drain oil, and so that the shining part of it can pronounce. So this is how you are going to scoop it one after the other. So when you are dropping it inside the oil, make sure you squeeze your hand so tight. So that is the only way when your buns is frying, it will not crack. It's a big secret when you are frying your buns. So at this point, you make sure you are just stir frying without stopping until is well golden brown. And I'm still working with a medium heat. From the beginning, you don't really need too much heat. That is the only way your buns, or even when you are making puff puff or egg roll, can done in. So at this point, guys, I have hide my gas. I'm now working with a high heat. Can you see that the colors has already changed and it is really progressing? So we are almost done, guys. You see that making this a perfect Nigeria buns is really easy, more than what else you can think. Please, if you like this video and if it's helpful to you, make sure you share and make sure you like. That is the greatest thing you can do for me. Can you see how it looks like? And when you take it straight to your mouth, it melts in your mouth. You will be wondering if you are eating buns or not. The taste is really amazing and wonderful. Thank you if you watch up to this point. See you soon again. Bye bye.